Hello everyone, my name is Yu Yao, and today I would like to share my inquiry projects about supporting children who find it hard to dream peer play. In my placement, I noticed one child in the outdoor area who often stayed in the sandpit by herself. She used a shovel and a small bucket to scoop sand, then touched and explored the sand with her hands. Sometimes she would look at her peers and ask, "Can I play with you?" But often the other children were already engaged in their own play and did not respond. During indoor play, it was similar. While other children were playing with puzzles and Lego, she stood nearby watching, but she did not join in. This similar scenario made me wonder what was making it difficult for her to engage in peer play and how I could support her better. From these observations, my wondering became my key question. How can I help this child who have difficulty engage in peer play? I wanted to focus not only on this child, but also on how I could involve her peers and use the environment to support their relationships and to make child one feel more confident. In Action Plan Round 1, I decided to use partner and collaborative play strategies. I planned simple cooperative tasks such as building sand towers or working together on puzzles. My role is to modeling and scaffolding, which align with Vygotsky's theory. I also wanted to teach other children how to invite this child into their play. When I implement this first action plan, I invited two children to build in the sandpit together. Under my guidance, child one shared a shovel with another child. When I suggest maybe you can build a tower together, the other child thought for a moment and then said she wanted to make a big hole instead. I noticed that child one was starting to cooperative and share. In my reflection on this first round, I observed that child one was showing more proactive sharing behaviors. She was also trying to build relationships by using words like, "I want to play with you, can I help you?" When another child said she wanted to make a hole, child one responded and joined in. This made me think that I could provide more materials to encourage children initiative sharing and connection. So in the action plan round 2, I added cooking tools and pretend play items to the sandpit, like pots, bowls, cups, and fruit-shaped toys. I invited child 1 to join and started a pretend cooking scenario. During this second experience, child 1 showed strong interest in it. She picked up a cup and began to make pretend food. I scaffold her language by suggestion. Maybe you can share your food with your friends, and you can ask if you want to share the cooking tools with and you can ask if they want to share the cooking tools with you. This encourage her to express her ideas and interact with peers. The two children began making milk tea and milkshakes for each other with spoons, cups, and sand. Child one asked, "What flavor milkshake would you like?" And the other children sighed, "Strawberry." I realized that when play connects with a child's own interest, she is more confident and willing to communicate. Matching children with similar interests also help them to cooperate more naturally. From the result of those actions, I learned that child-led interest-based experiences are powerful for supporting peer relationships. When I act as a gentle scaffold, modeling language, suggesting ways to share, and creating opportunities for cooperation, the child is more able to join in. I also realized that her peers need guidance to be inclusive. For example, by making food for each other or inviting others to share materials. For my future practice, I plan to continue using peer support, small group, and cooperative activities to encourage social interaction. I will keep observing which children may need help to dream play and design experiences that based on their interests. I will also keep reflection on how I can model inclusive language and behaviors so that children can support each other and develop a strong sense of belonging. Thank you for your listening to my presentation. And here is the references.